Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to repair the connectors on your old garden hose. Do you have an old hose kicking around your yard that you don't use anymore because when you connect it to your hose bib on your house, it sprays everywhere? Or perhaps you drove over the other end with your car and you can't put on a nozzle anymore, it's kind of squished. Well, the solution for you is to head on over to your hardware store and pick up these brass fittings. They come in other metals as well. I find the brass ones the best. This was a combo pack, so it came with both the male and female. What you're going to need is some sort of a cutter, a knife, or a clipper. Some stronger scissors might work, as well as a screwdriver or a socket driver. So those are the tools you're going to need. Taking a look at the fittings, this is the male fitting, and there's also a female fitting with a rubber gasket on the inside. This kit also came with 2 hose clamps for connecting them to the hoses. I bought 5/8 inch fittings. Have a look at your hose. You may need to buy a different size, so there's a couple different sizes there. So grab your hose and we're going to be slicing the hose just back from the end. You can use your knife or your clippers. Give that a cut. Yeah, it just comes right off. The next thing we're going to be doing is taking one of the hose clamps and sliding it over the end of the hose. Now grab one of the fittings and slide it into the hose and twist it all the way back until it meets the end of the hose. You're going to slide the hose clamp forward and leave a little bit of a space there and tighten that off with your screwdriver or your socket driver. Make it nice and tight. And now grab the other end of the hose and we'll do the same process again. So snip that off a little bit back from the end so you get a nice clean cut. Make sure you put the hose clamp on first and then put the fitting right into the end of the hose. Slide that hose clamp up. And then begin to tighten off the hose clamp with your screwdriver or your socket driver again. Now let's test it out. Screws on nice and easy, and we'll turn on the hose and see if there's any leaks. And it looks like we're all good there, so we'll turn on the nozzle on the other end and spray some water there. And the same thing, it looks to be all dry at the connection, so we're good to go. All in all, I think these fittings are a great way to fix up an old hose. It's really easy to do and it'll save you a lot of money, get you another 5-10 years of wear out of your hose. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give me a thumbs up down below. I've also got plenty of videos coming up, so if you want to subscribe, I'd be more than happy to share those with you in the future. Thanks again for watching and take care.